the best part of the holiday season when our tree comes. You guys, check it out.
Yeah.
What do you think? Come look on the other side. See
Very
if you
big.
think. It's big? It counts as being big? What do you think, Sonny? This is Sonny's first Christmas tree arrival. It looks good. It looks beautiful.
Nice full tree.
They like this stuff.
Yeah? So what do you think?
Love it.
All right.
Yeah, we'll keep it.
We will keep it. We're going to keep it. Thanks so much.
Thank you
I
very
really
much.
appreciate you guys.